Hello po. May deliver po kami para sa inyo. Dito ka, ma'am.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my
Dito ka, ma'am.
lover up until the very end? Let me show you love. No, I don't pretend. I'll be right here, baby. You'll sink or swim. Oh, don't you worry. I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at no worth. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. Yes, only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do.
Ma'am, may message po sa inyo si sir. Pabasa po ng malakas, ha. Ayan, sir, pinaiyak mo si ma'am. Lakasan niyo po, mama.
If God's grant me one wish, I would ask a long life because I would get the time to stay with you for a long. I love you so much, my beautiful one.
Ayan, ma'am. So, ano pong message niyo po kay sir?
Thank you, Daddy. I would somebody
Oh, di ba?
love me at no word. There's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the first. Wala pala galit na galit. Thank you, Daddy. Love you.
Yun lang message mo, ma'am.
Love you, mahal na mahal ka, Daddy. Ingat ka lagi dyan.
Kailan ba umalis si sir?
Thank you. Maganda naman ang picture natin. And for you, girl, I swear I dinala niya. Thank you, Daddy.
Sobrang nag-prepare talaga si sir, nag-effort.